Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of pond care with a product that stands out as the best fish pond netting cover on the market, the SUNSHORE Pond Netting Kit. If you're a pond enthusiast looking to protect your aquatic friends from unwanted predators while keeping your pond clean and beautiful, then this product is a must-have. The SUNSHORE Pond Netting Kit measures a generous 15 feet by 20 feet, giving you a substantial coverage area of 300 square feet. This ample size makes it versatile for various pond shapes and sizes. Whether you have a small koi pond or a larger pool, this netting adapts to your needs and can even be easily cut to fit smaller spaces without losing its integrity. What makes this netting truly exceptional is its heavy-duty woven fine mesh. With a small 3/8-inch opening, it effectively keeps debris, leaves, and even predators like cats and birds at bay, ensuring your fish remain safe and unharmed. The UV-resistant material used in its construction means that you won't have to worry about deterioration over time, providing you with long-lasting protection. The SUNSHORE Pond Netting Kit comes with 14 stakes, allowing you to secure the netting firmly to the ground. This feature is crucial for preventing the net from blowing away during windy days or getting displaced by animals. Simply stretch the netting over your pond, tighten it, and stake it down for a hassle-free installation process. Not only is this netting perfect for protecting fish ponds, but its versatility extends to various gardening needs as well. Use it to cover your fruit bushes like strawberries and blueberries, protecting them from birds and other critters. However, it's important to note that this netting is not designed for swimming pool safety, so keep that in mind when considering its applications. What really sets the SUNSHORE Pond Netting apart is its combination of durability and ease of use. It's lightweight, making it easy to handle and position, yet it doesn't compromise on strength. You can enjoy your pond without the worry of debris or predators interfering with the tranquility of your outdoor space. This netting is designed to withstand various weather conditions, providing reliable protection year-round. Whether it's a sunny day or rainy afternoon, you can rest easy knowing that your pond is safeguarded from unwanted intrusions. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best fish pond netting cover, the SUNSHORE Pond Netting Kit should be at the top of your list. With its durable material, ample coverage, and user-friendly installation, it's an investment that will pay off in the protection and beauty it brings to your pond. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, keep your ponds peaceful and protected.